Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Hi, I'm Kimber. Hi, I'm Haley. We're from Willow City. Hey, Tom, how's the weather?
Very, very cool. Kimber and Haley from Willow City. 76 degrees in the Magic City. Winds out of the west-northwest at 21. And in Bismarck, 76 degrees. Winds out of the west-northwest at 16. And I know there were some little rain showers moved through Bismarck earlier today. 65 and pretty cloudy in Williston right now. And in Dickinson, a little more of a clear sky than the other sites we just looked at. 70 degrees in Dickinson. So here are some of the temperatures across western North Dakota. And this doesn't happen a lot, but it's warmer east of Highway 83 than west. Usually in the summertime, it's the other way around, it seems like. But that's what we've got going on right now. Linton at 77. Harvey at 75. Same thing in Rugby. Botno at 78. The wind is roughly 15 to 25 mile an hour. There are a couple places where the wind gusts are a little bit stronger, but overall, not a real gusty wind day. But still, it is pretty breezy, mainly out of the west, and some places a little bit northwest. So first off, just a line, really light rain moving through. This is our area here. There were a couple lightning strikes earlier today, and there has been a new tornado warning issued. And I just checked. There's no funnel on the ground, at least in the past 2 minutes when I walked over here. It was one of those radar estimated tornadoes. And actually, they just issued a second warning now, so not sure exactly what's going on, but some very, very large hail, like getting up over 2 inches there. And that's where it's at. Here's Grand Forks, just to kind of point it out. But when I walked over here in the chat room from the Weather Service, they said they see the rotation and everything, and it looks like it could drop a funnel cloud out of the sky. But as of a minute or so ago, it wasn't on the ground. Now, here's a look at 7 o'clock. It looks like we still have the northwest wind, and by midnight or so, fairly cloudy and just a little bit breezy tonight. There is going to be a lot of rain moving up towards Fargo and Grand Forks during the, even just after midnight. You can see how that just kind of pushes on through. And then tomorrow morning, it looks like, especially down very close to the border, as you get into this last shade of green here, it would be very light if it happens at all. But here's that potential for rain tomorrow. And then throughout the day, it's very, very close to Bismarck by during the morning hours. And then in the afternoon, with the heating of the day, we might have some of those pop-up showers, maybe a pop-up small thunderstorm. I'm not expecting severe weather this next couple of days, but you can even see tomorrow night just hit and miss showers. Hit and miss thunderstorms would be possible, with a little better chance of the heavier rain or thunderstorms to around Jamestown and maybe points to the southeast. And then that kind of winds down by tomorrow night. And then the sky clears out a little bit. And for the rest of the week, I mean, we're just not going to have really good chances, fortunately, of big storms. So it's going to be typical summertime, June weather, where we have some of these storms from time to time, but it does not look like severe weather anytime soon for us. Next 72 hours for Dickinson, you can see the temperatures getting back to around 80 degrees by Thursday. And for Williston, very close to 80 degrees by Thursday. But these temperatures are actually fairly comfortable. So forecast lows tonight are going to be in the upper 40s, mid to upper 40s in western North Dakota and eastern Montana, to the mid 50s elsewhere. And then daytime highs tomorrow will be 60s, maybe some upper 60s. There may be a spot here or there that hits 70 degrees. As we check out the Bismarck 7-day, and you can see these temperatures, they do get back up a little bit for a couple of degrees. Doesn't look like things are going to get active again, I mean, in a bigger way, until maybe the weekend. So, Nicholas, it looks like just off and on normal June weather.
All right, very good. Thank you very much, Tom. Next in our